In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to make a time selection. First, navigate to a region of the time trace or spectrogram plots that you would like to study in more detail. To make a time selection, left-click and drag over the region of either the time trace or spectrogram plots. The whole of the visible plot can also be selected using Ctrl-A. You will see down the bottom in the Selection Overview tab that new information is displayed for each hydrophone. This includes the start and end times, the duration and the RMS level for the newly selected time period. It also includes various statistical parameters, the maximum and minimum RMS values, and the peak level and SEL values for the time period selected. There is also the ability to export the time selection as a WAV file for each of the hydrophones. To do this, click the Export as WAV text. This will open a Save window. Enter in a file name and select Save. Select the Chart tab to see 1/3 octave band spectral levels for each hydrophone. You can view the spectral levels as a statistical parameter or as an SEL by clicking the option buttons to the right. Select the Table tab. Here you will see the 1/3 octave band spectral levels for each of the key metrics, including the RMS statistical and SEL for each of the hydrophones. You can also weight the spectrum by clicking the option buttons under Weighting. The default is set to linear or unweighted. The other options include weightings for cetaceans and pinnipeds. On the Selection Overview tab, you will see that the weighting is also applied to the levels shown here, and similarly in the Chart tab. Click on the Export Data symbol to expand it to show possible data export options. You can choose to copy all sample levels to clipboard, which copies the raw data from the LVX files for the selected time period, or you can copy all sample levels to file, which will save the raw data to a file. You can also copy the table results to clipboard and save the chart results as an image file. The Time Periods tab enables you to divide the statistical analysis up into regular time periods. In this example, we will open a long-duration LVX and observe the results. The time period, start and end dates and times can be altered in the entry fields to the right of the Time Periods table. After entering new times or periods, the Recalculate button will be highlighted and needs to be clicked to recalculate the new time period results. Watch Tutorial 4 to learn about advanced methods of analysis.